Okay, I guess I've been lazy because I haven't been able to clean my white walls, and I put this white walls in this motorcycle for quite a while. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna see what we can find at the store. Maybe something got to be there to clean the white walls. I know a lot of people get into dilemmas over this. Whatever I can find that cleans these white walls is what I'm gonna do. And later on, we're gonna clean the white walls and maybe give you some cool footage of the motorcycle. Okay, I just finished doing some update videos that I had to do on the biking bags, as well as some of the things that I've done here to the Roll King. So let's time to hit that auto part back there. We're good. I got a couple things I'm gonna show it to you guys when I get home for sure, and hopefully we leave this white walls nice and clean. The issue that I had was that I forgot my glasses and I couldn't read. I need glasses to be able to read. Okay, so this is when you know when you're getting old. So I made it to the auto part and I had all the intentions to show you the stuff that I got and read a lot and all that stuff and show you guys. But one, my camera died, which was a pain on the butt. But two, I forgot this right here. You see this thing? They're called readers, and I'm legitimately looking at the bottles and I'm like, I can read them. But anyways, I got a couple things right here that I'm gonna show you. Now I'm able to use it, and what I got was this Adams polished tire cleaning, and I saw wheels and tire really big, as you can see right there. And I figured, well, pretty much the only thing I can read, I cannot read any of the fine print back there. So I went with this, and I'm gonna tell you, it came out pretty decent. So I got this. Also got a little brush right here to be able to scrub those white walls as well. I'm gonna tell you, I think I paid a little bit too much. You could probably get something better at the dollar store or anything like that. But with that being said, let me show you how they look. By the way, big shout out to Fabian. He just watched this bike for me. He is my son, and he's 18 years old. So again, he was just trying to do me a favor. He thinks he's gonna get paid. And here's the bike. Finally, the white walls are washed nice and clean. You can see them right there. What a difference. Again, what a difference. You can see how good they look right there, right? So again, just a pretty quick look and just giving you a look right here how the motorcycle Look, obviously the one in the back was a little bit more difficult to wash, just primarily because obviously it's under that, so we had to move the bike and all that stuff. But again, he did a pretty decent job. My son Fabian helped me out cleaning this white wall. Sometimes being an old veteran, he feels bad and he helps me out, I guess, right? But this is kind of how they look right there. And again, let me show you the bike. It's looking sexy right now with the white walls nice and clean, and you can see it right there. Looking good, looking good. All right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.